Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to add friends in Monopoly Go. Adding friends in Monopoly Go enhance your gaming experience by allowing you to play with people you know. Here's what you're going to do. If you haven't already, create a Monopoly Go account using your preferred method like email and social media login. Navigate to the Friends menu within the Monopoly Go app or game interface. Link your social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter to find friends who are already playing. Send invitation to friends via email by entering their email addresses directly within the app. Use the search function to find friends by their usernames within the game. Share or scan QR codes with friends to add them directly in the game. Join in-game communities where you can meet and add new friends. Check and accept incoming friends requests from other players. Share and use unique friends codes provided within the game to connect with others. Enable location-based friend discovery features if available to connect with nearby players. Send direct invites to specific friends within your contacts or social media networks. Share your game progress and invite friends to join you via social media posts. Create private game rooms and invite friends directly from your friends list. Engage in special in-game events or challenges that encourage social interactions. Exchange virtual gifts and friends as a token of appreciation or to enhance gameplay. Regularly review and remove inactive friends from your list to keep it updated. Organize friends into categories or lists based on gameplay preferences or social circles. Adjust privacy settings to control who can send your friend requests or view your activity. Utilize blocking or reporting features like necessary to manage unwanted interactions. Keep in touch with friends through in-game chat features or external communication channels. Participate in Monopoly Go forums or social media groups to meet new players. Compete in tournaments or multiplayer challenges to meet and add skilled players. And share achievements and milestones with friends to foster camaraderie. And that's how to add friends in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!